Off-Grid Amy here, 717. I don't know what to tell you. Yeah. And it don't look like it wants to stop anytime soon. I can't tell you. I can't even tell you how deep it is, because what it's showing there, my footprints are showing it's deeper than what that roof is, which makes no sense, but I'm guessing that's 7 inches so far. Oh, here we go. Right here. Oh, crap. Yeah, I guess if you look at the center, that's probably 10 inches. A couple more inches and it'll be just one big hump. But, yep, that's what we're getting here today. And I guess the tractor's going to get a workout, but man, it's beautiful. Can't even see the mountain anymore. Millie, you're going to get lost in that snow. Millie, look here. Millie. Millie, look here. Millie. Hey. What an idiot. Bear's inside. He's no dummy. Y'all have a blessed day.